Hello everyone, I'm Savin from Kai Academy, and today I'm going to talk about how to find your contacts on Instagram. In fact, Instagram has made this feature available for Instagram to find new people in the method used to find close friends. To activate and deactivate this feature that you use for other person suggestions, we will list the steps to be taken for you. If you're new to Instagram, you may be wondering where to start. And Instagram and its daddy Facebook is happy to help you make connections. You can find people in a few different ways. Facebook has a vested interest in making Instagram grow, so it tries to encourage you to round up your Facebook friends and bring them over to Instagram. It's an easy way for you to find people. To find friends on Facebook, you need to follow some steps. At first, go to your Instagram profile page by tapping your photo at the bottom right of your phone screen and tap the person with a plus at the top left. Just look at the bottom of the screen here and just tap the discover people here and just look at the top of the screen here. We can just see that connect to Facebook and tap the Facebook link here. Continue. From there, confirm your Facebook login by tapping OK, and the screen displays how many Facebook friends you have on Instagram. Tap either follow all or follow to follow every one of your Facebook friends on Instagram. Tap follow all if you'd rather be more selective, especially because you'd like to be promoting your product or service. You may want to follow friends one by one. And simply tap follow next to each friend you'd like to connect with and keep scrolling and following. Here. Okay, some of your friends may have set their accounts to private. In this case, you see it requested after you tap follow, and they need to approve you before you can view their profile and post. And when it comes to syncing your contact list, Instagram can also connect you with the contacts stored on your phone or tablet. After you activate this feature, your contacts are periodically synced with Instagram servers. And Instagram does not follow anyone on your behalf, and you can disconnect your contacts at any time so that Instagram cannot access them. This feature may be best as a one and done in the beginning versus a constant connection for privacy purposes. To connect your contacts, you need to follow some steps. At first, go to your Instagram profile page by tapping your photo at the bottom right of your phone screen. Tap the small person with a plus. And tap the contacts list here. Mine is already connected, so the screen tells you that Instagram will find people you know and you're given the option to follow them. So here, if you're not connected, to proceed, tap connect contacts, and another pop-up asks whether Instagram can access your contacts. Tap allow access, and a pop-up appears asking you to allow Instagram access to your contacts, and this is your last chance to cancel your decision to allow Instagram to access your contacts. And then tap OK, and the pop-up goes away and the contact screen appears, as you can see from there. And follow all your contacts on Instagram by tapping follow all, or choose which contacts to follow by tapping follow next to each one. Instagram can pull contacts from your phone's saved contacts for you to select to follow, and if you change your mind at some point And wanna disallow Instagram's access to your contacts, tap the wheel icon and on your profile page, scroll down to settings and then tap contacts. Tap the connect contacts toggle to return it to white, which terminates Instagram access. So that's it. Okay, I think that's it for now, and thanks for watching. Have a great day.